to your program, Visit Edo. Visit Edo is live today at Edo State House of Assembly, where the inauguration of the 8th Assembly is being held. We have a lot of dignitaries that have really come to grace this occasion. You see a lot of members elect that they are about going to be sworn in. And right now, this is the compound of Edo State House of Assembly. It's a big head of activity. As the program goes on, we'll always keep you posted. Viewers, still at Edo State House of Assembly, today inauguration of the 8th Assembly. You can see a lot of dignitaries have come to actually grace this occasion. So viewers, we have a political juggernaut that have actually contributed a lot to the growth of Edo State and Nigeria as a whole. So sir, meet Honorable E.J. Agboayima. Sir, what is your take witnessing the 8th Assembly, the inauguration?
Well, this is not about party. It's about somebody that you know. The Honorable Speaker Agbebaku is somebody I've known over the years. I know he will do justice without being sentimental. He's a nice young man, a dynamic young man that will move this house to the next level. And I appeal to everybody, because in the house, there's no APC, there's no PDP. It's what reflects the concern of Edo people. Edo people must move forward from grace to grace, and I believe we do justice to that. And I have so much confidence on the Honorable Speaker. I am glad for him being elected as the Speaker today. To the glory of God, God will use him to change Edo State around and make laws, good laws that will reflect the concerns of Edo, people. That's what my prayer for him.
Well, with the emergence of Honorable Blessing Agbebaku and the intellectual giants in the houses of assembly now around the state, in the country, I know Edo State will perform and excel. They are young men, they are articulate, and they are ready to perform. We should be patient and expect good things from them.
Very interesting. And I thank God for this day that it has come to pass. We give God the glory.
My good brother, the inauguration was so perfect and palatable. With the new 8th Assembly, I believe Edo State will move forward under the leadership of Honorable Blessing Agbebaku Sheriff. I'm so happy.
Thank you, sir.
You do it.
We have a great Edolite and a Nigerian, a great philanthropist, person of Honorable Asoro, the CEO, Wesley Hotels. Sir, what is your take witnessing the inauguration of the 8th Assembly, Edo State?
Seriously, we are happy. Firstly, let me congratulate the member and also congratulate the Speaker, my bosom friend, Blessing Agbebaku. I think for me, this is the most peaceful inauguration I've ever witnessed. It was peaceful, everybody is happy, no fights, no misunderstanding within the members. We are happy. I think we are moving to the right direction. Thank you very much.
Dance group from Owo West celebrating with the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Agbebaku.
Well, I want to thank them for this ovation. I'm dumbfounded, and I want to assure them that what I came here to do is to take the good dividend of democracy to them in my local governments and at the state at large. That's what we are here to do, and we will do it with good faith. Thank you very much.
You have been the man on top of the whole matter.
Yeah, I would say today is a great day for me. People came out from all the way from Orion to Benin to come celebrate with me today. And I've always promised them that as far as I'm on ground, I'm the person they choose to represent them. They should be rest assured, 100%, the dividends of democracy, development and everything that has to do with government will be available in Orion South constituency. And I will give them the best I ever got.
If you're a program in Ania, you don't tell me, man.
If you're a ya, you two are the nena. Luanare, Logume Babugie. Okay, Naya Mume, you go to your House of Assembly. You can't let Tamuwa where Wagamume Kona, Yahuya Muwa, Wamume Yonena, Kenakba, Wagaga, I feel very Harry or the master Wakari Mie. In Wahaga Miena, no man or ma, or Wahaga Mie, Kagana Ikba. I will say, about talk by.
Visit Edo TV.